In this short tutorial, you will learn how to stop background data usage on your mobile device. Background data usage can consume a significant amount of your mobile data without you even realizing it. By stopping background data usage, you can save on your data costs and ensure that it is only used when needed. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Apps. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all of the apps installed on your device. Just scroll down and find the app where you want to stop background data usage. For example, I'm going to select the Google Chrome app. After that, scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section called Usage, and in that section, you'll see an option called Mobile Data. Just tap on it. To stop background data usage in this specific app, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.